Hello everyone and welcome back. I hope you're all having a good week. Following on from the previous video I did talking about Google and the decisions it's made recently, I thought I'd cover the timeline of events because there was actually a small piece that was missed by me and many others. So what's happened so far? Well, on the 19th of January, the HEDERA Governing Council voted to purchase the HashGraph intellectual property. That then committed to open sourcing the world's most advanced distributed ledger technology. On the 20th of January, Smart Contracts 2.0 went live on the HEDERA testnet and marketing began. I covered that in a previous video. For example, ad spaces have been purchased on sites like Stack Overflow, touting the benefits of HEDERA's smart contracts on the blockchain. The piece of information that was missed, crucially, on the 20th of January, Google, there were rumors, it's now been confirmed, Google has actually partnered with Coinbase and BitPay to enable Google cards to store crypto in their mission for their next billion users. Now, this is obviously a massive piece of news as well. One of Google's presidents of commerce, Billy Readley, came out and said crypto is something we pay a lot of attention to. As user demand and merchants evolve, we will evolve with it. They're basically enabling users to store crypto as a method of payment rather than a medium of exchange. So makes sense with Google Pay, similar to sort of Apple Pay. You know, you are paying merchants for services, and why not use your crypto to do it? Interesting timing on this as well, as this comes after Google dialed back its plans to add bank accounts to its payment app. So they've taken a fork in the road effectively. Instead of adding traditional bank accounts to their payments, they've decided the financial services they want to be incorporated or use effectively will be cryptocurrencies. So this space is continually evolving, and when you've got some of the world's largest companies like Google fighting on the side of using distributed technology and ledgers, there's clearly a lot of scope and growth within this industry. And then on the 21st of January, which I kind of covered already in my previous video, check that out if you haven't seen it, Google Labs has set up their blockchain division, and Google Pay has hired a new payments vice president who came from PayPal, particularly as well because PayPal was kind of one of the first movers to incorporate crypto wallets effectively. So there's a lot going on here, and the timing of events are sort of very coincidental, as I mentioned previously, but there is massive potential here that Google is actually using the HashGraph intellectual property to deliver these projects that they're looking to put into place. So that was kind of my real quick update on the timing of events. Massive stuff going on. We're still in price accumulation zone anyway for HEDERA. Obviously the rest of the markets aren't faring too well as well because of the Fed tapering. The stock market's taking an absolute battering at the same time. So hold fast. I'll keep pushing out these updates when they come. Cheers all.